Hi everybody, welcome to Storytime with Fairfield County Library. My name is Miss Nina and I am so excited for Storytime today. It's summer reading, so we're doing hybrid Storytimes, which means we're having the Storytimes online here and in person at the same time that the video goes up. For you guys, that means if you come to the library at 10:30 a.m. on Mondays, you can have me read these same books to you in person. Okay, now that that's out of the way, are you guys ready for story time? All right, this week our theme is Mermaids and Pirates. That means this week we're going to read about adventures on the high seas. All right, our first book is The Skeleton Pirate by David Lucas, published by Candlewick Press. Everyone had heard of the Skeleton Pirate. The Skeleton Pirate was the terror of the seas. "I'll never be beaten," he said. "I'll never be beaten." "I'll never be beaten." All the other pirates cheered. "We've beaten the Skeleton Pirate at last." "Curses," said the Skeleton Pirate through gritted teeth. "I'll never be beaten." "Ha ha ha ha!" They laughed and threw him overboard. "Hello there, my lovely," said the Skeleton Pirate. The mermaid smiled. "Oh dear, it looks like you've been beaten at last." "I'll never be beaten," he said. "Would you—" "Oh, thank you, my dear." And she has a skeleton key. They didn't notice the whale. Snap! Gulp! "What do we do now?" cried the mermaid. They were in the belly of the whale. "We're not beaten yet," said the Skeleton Pirate, and he shook his fist. "Hey, whale, come and fight me, you big coward." But the only sound was the mermaid blowing her nose. "Perhaps fighting isn't always the answer," said the mermaid gently. "What else is there?" said the Skeleton Pirate. "Talking?" said the mermaid. "Talking!" said the Skeleton Pirate. "Of course!" They looked at each other. "But I don't think the whale can hear us," said the Skeleton Pirate. "We should speak right in his ear," said the mermaid. "Where's the ear of a whale?" "Right near his brain," said the mermaid. "Come on!" The Skeleton Pirate flashed his eyes. "I've got a plan." It wasn't easy. It wasn't always pleasant. But there at last was a door. "Look," said the Skeleton Pirate. "A sign. It says, 'Ear.' Knock, knock." "Who's there?" boomed the whale. "You ate us," said the Skeleton Pirate. "You swallowed us whole." "Oh dear, I'm terribly sorry," said the whale. His voice echoed all around them. "Did you know you're full of gold and treasure and jewels?" said the Skeleton Pirate. "You even swallowed a golden ship," said the mermaid. "No wonder I feel so ill," said the whale. "I wish there was somebody could do to help." The Skeleton Pirate grinned. "I know exactly what to do." They filled the golden ship with treasure. "Open wide!" cried the skeleton pirate. The whale did as he was told. They sailed away into the sunset. Night fell and the moon shone, and the skeleton pirate knelt. He looked deep into the mermaid's eyes. "You know," he said, "I think I've been beaten at last." "Oh my," said the mermaid with a laugh. "The end." Okay, that was the skeleton pirate. What'd you guys think? All right, our next book is a short one. It is The Mermaid Counting Book by Suzanne Diederen and published by Clavis Publishing. One little mermaid swimming in the sea, off on an adventure. Come along with me. Umi sees two octopuses coming home to rest. One is big and one is small. Which do you like best? Open shells lie near a hill. What does Umi see? Beautiful white pearls. Count them, there are 3. Four crabs scurry by, playing peekaboo. Umi swims up on a rock to get a better view. Well, hello, says Umi to friends she finds nearby. 5 seahorses with curly tails say, "Come, let's swim up high." Umi greets 6 little fish. Do they want to play? So much to do, so much to see. It's such a busy day. Around the corner, down below, what will she find now? Here are 7 starfish. Umi just says, "Wow." The sea grows dark. What time is it? It must be getting late. Stars appear up in the sky. Count them, there are 8. Mom will wonder where she is. Umi has to rush. There are 9 kind jellyfish. Swim along with us. Umi's happy to be home, where she's safe and snug. Her mommy knows just what she needs. 10 kisses and a hug. Okay, that was The Mermaid Counting Book. What do you guys think? What's your favorite kind of thing to count? All right, everyone, thank you for coming to story time. Now, just because we're done reading does not mean we have to be done with story time. At the library, you can get something called a story time kit, which is a fun-filled activity kit that goes with the books you read today. Each kit comes with a coloring sheet, a craft, and a tasty recipe that you can make with your grown-ups. This week, our craft are these bookmarks. A mermaid and a pirate. And something really cool about these bookmarks is that the way that they are set up, they hang over the top of your page. That's pretty cool. To get a kit, you need to come to the Fairfield County Library and look for some crates in the children's section. And we have 2 crates, one for Mondays and one for Wednesdays, so you want to make sure to grab the right kits or you could end up with something completely different than what I just showed you. The kits for this story time are in the Group A crate. They are the red ones. New kits come out whenever there's a new story time, but we might have some left from last week if you ask. Okay, everyone, thank you for joining me for story time. It's time to say goodbye, but I look forward to seeing you all next time, and I hope to see you in the library this week to pick up a story time kit. Bye!